In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and choosing Connected Devices. Then click on Connection Preferences and select Printing. Now just click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, so when it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, tap on this blue switcher, go back, select Add Service and download the best one for your device. When it's ready, go back to the same settings and click on your new service. Then wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!